Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is HP MV 6020A. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This is all occasion family printing gear. This printer is using ink cartridges 305 and you can print from anywhere. Simply set up. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. This printer is compatible with Windows 10, Mac, Big Sur, Mac OS, Mac Catalina, 2 gig high definition internet. Compatible with Windows 10, Windows 7. This is the power cable. Information pack, and you never run out of ink. You save 70% on ink. Get hassle-free free delivery and recycle, all starting from 0.99 euro. This is nice printer, very light, and if you have any paper jam, open up this section to check for any paper jam. So from the back, okay, you switch this printer on and off from here. This is the Wi-Fi button. This button here is for USB cable, and this the power cable goes in here. The USB cable is not included in the packaging. This printer, you can connect it to your Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable. Unfortunately, the USB cable is not included in the packaging. Okay. So switch this printer on and off from the back here. Okay. Once you switch it on, then you wait. The light changes from different color. Once you connect it to the Wi-Fi network, it will change to blue light. This is the paper tray. There we go. And see, you can see the Wi-Fi light is flashing, it's highlighting, looking for available network to connect to it. This is the scanner, flatbed scanner. If we open up this printer, this is the ink cartridges holder. Okay. Once you open it up, it will come to the center for you to change it. Okay, position itself where it's supposed to be for you to change the ink cartridges. If we open up this printer this way, if you have any paper jam, open up this section and check for any paper jam and debris. This printer pin number is here. Sometimes it will ask you to key in the pin number when you want to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. This printer is beautiful. This is the ink cartridges. It's using 305 or 305 extra large. Can also work with this printer. Okay. So this is the scanner, flat belt scanner. This printer is easy to connect with multiple devices. Simply set up. Okay, and you got 1 year extra HP warranty and 6 months of ink with this printer. Okay, you check for paper jam here as well. Okay, so this printer is HP 6020. Once you connect this printer and this button here, you will see the light will start highlighting. For this button here is for you to copy color, and this is for you to copy black. This button here is for you to cancel. Okay, this is resume. This button here is information button, and this is the Wi-Fi button is highlighting. Okay, so this is the overview of this printer. And at the back here, the Wi-Fi button is here at the back here, just underneath the on and off power button. So you switch this printer on and off from here, but the Wi-Fi button is here at the back. You can load various sizes of paper, can load photo paper, A4 paper as well. Just need to adjust it accordingly. Connect this printer to wireless network. To put this printer in the wireless mode, you need to, first of all, you need to press the Wi-Fi button at the back. Okay, so we wait for the printer. You need to press at the back here. Okay, and you can see the Wi-Fi light is flashing. So what we need to do is we need to look for this device. So go to Play Store, download HP Smart App, open it up. Okay, and search for device. Click Wi-Fi network. Click continue. Click continue. Click OK. And you can see HP 6000 series. Select on it. So now what we need to do is we need to put the password. I have the information here. Once you put the password, okay, you select done and select continue. Okay, and it's going to prepare the printer. Printer is found. The next is preparing the printer. Now press and release the flashing information button. There is a flashing information button. Okay, you can see. So you press and release. Okay. So now it's preparing the printer. And you can see a Wi-Fi light is flashing. If this printer is connected, it will be a steady blue light and the printer is prepared. Now it's obtaining IP address. The next is doing is obtaining IP address. Here we got printer connected to Wi-Fi network. So this printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network, but you need to follow the instruction to finish up the connection. So this printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network. So select continue. It's connecting to HP service. Connected printing service. Click accept all. Welcome to HP Plus. Your new printer automatically ship instant ink. Okay, so if you want to do this, then you select next. But I don't want this tutorial, so I'm not gonna select the. So do not enable ink delivery. Are you sure? Skip offer. Okay, and it will tell you the setup is complete. This is HP Envy 6020. I received a message. Someone wants to know how to print document from laptop to HP Envy. To print your document, you need to go to your file explorer in your computer. So go to the file explorer, open it up, then select the document you want to print out. So this is the document I want to print out. Now this is the document I want to print out. To print this document out, you need to go on top and select print icon. Okay, so go on top and select print. When you select print, then you also need to select the correct printer. So from this side you see printer, so select HP Envy 6000 series, then you scroll down to select how many copies. If you want to print this is 2 pages. If you want to print all of them, then you select all. If you want to print odd page, then you select odd. If you want to print even page, you select even page. Odd page is like 1, 3 and 5. Even page is for you to select like 2, 4. Okay, so we're going to print all the pages and want to print this color, select color, and also print on both sides. You select print on both sides. If you want to print on one side, you select print on one side. So you want to print this to print on both sides, long edge. Okay, and select print. Now this document is going to print out. We selected print on both sides, so it's going back inside. Very quick. So this is the document we printed out, color. We printed it out on both sides. If you want to print black and single page, then you select print image again. When you select print, select the same printer. Instead of printing all, you select print. Instead of printing all, okay, you can also print all, but instead of printing two-sided, you select print on one side. Okay, so we're going to print all this document, but we're going to print it one. Okay, instead of double-sided, we print it one print on one side. Okay, only. And we are going to print it black and white instead of color, so we change it to black and white and print on single page. Select print. This is the first one. We printed black and white, single page. This is the second one, black and white, single page. We printed the first one, colored, double-sided. Now, another way to print your document is for you to go to this printer and laptop are connected together using HP Smart App. So go to HP Smart App, this HP Smart App, and the printer is ready. So to print a document, you need to select print document. Select print document, okay, and then you go from your laptop and select the document you want to print. This is the document you want to print. Select print, okay, and when you select print, then you wait for the printer to be ready, and the printer is getting ready. Okay, now this printer is ready. Use from the side, you select the correct printer. Look HP 6000 series, select on it. Okay, now orientation, you select if you want it oriented to be in portrait or landscape. Currently is in portrait. Okay, and also the paper is A4, so you can select any other paper, but make sure you load the particular paper you want to use. So you can print executive A5, B5 envelope, D11, C6 envelope, or paper size, but you need to load particular paper. Okay, what we have here is A4 paper, and the next thing to do is you select paper type is plain paper, output is normal, how many copies, and also print on one side. If you want to print it on both sides, then like we did earlier, you select print on both sides. Okay, currently we want to print on one side and print all pages, then select print. Now this document is printing. So this is the document we printed out, colored, single page each. I'm going to show you again. If we go to print document, select print document, okay, then select the file, the document you want to print out, click print. Okay, now the printer, then you wait for the printer to be ready, and this the printer is ready here. Okay, you select portrait, select the correct paper and paper type, scroll down, duplex printing, select print on both sides, okay, and print all pages. You select print. If you want to print only one page, then you select print current page. Then you don't need to print on both sides. Or print page in range is for you to print page 1 to 2 or so. Okay, so now the next thing to do is, once you select all the feature, you can also select more options to select other features. Okay, the same thing, paper size is A4 paper. Okay, now paper type is plain paper. If it's photo paper, you can select the photo paper. Okay, so what we have here is plain paper A4. Now source is main tray. Print quality, you can select best or normal. Currently is in normal. Now print in grayscale. From HP, you can select print in grayscale or monochrome is for you to print black and white. Currently want to print it, okay, let's print it monochrome, black and white. Now orientation is portrait. Like I said, you can change it to portrait to landscape as well. When you select portrait, it will show you this is landscape. It will show you what landscape looks like. Okay, it's more or less like a square. You can see, so this portrait, you can see how the portrait looks like. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing to do is you scroll down for you to select print. Then select print. The information you selected, feed into the printer what you want to do. There we go. So we are printing double-sided, black and white, or monochrome if you like. This is the document you printed out, double-sided, black and white. I'm going to show you how to scan document from this printer to your laptop. To scan your document, you need to first of all make sure that the printer and laptop both are connected to the same network. You download the software or HP Smart app to your computer and link both together. And my printer and this laptop both are linked together. Okay, now to scan your document, you need to open up the scanner. Okay, open up the scanner and stick the document you want to scan. Okay, and face down. So the area you want to scan need to face down to the glass scanner. Okay, now close it. Now the next thing to do is you need to go to HP Smart app. So type HP Smart app for your computer and open it up. So we do the scan using HP Smart app, and once you need to wait for the printer to be ready, and also you need to make sure you log into your account, and it will show you your name here, because you need to log in to be able to scan and do so many things. So by signing into your HP account, you have more options to do work. Okay, so to scan your document, you can see from here, once you look from the features, select scan, and when you select scan, then you need to wait for the printer to be ready. Okay, now the next thing to do is you need to select from this settings, you need to select glass source as a glass scanner. Okay, this printer only got glass scanner. If it's a printer that got glass scanner as well and also ADF, then you need to scroll down to select the specific one. Okay, so it's already picked up already glass scanner. Okay, now then the next is advanced preset. You need to scroll down to select document or photo or multi-item, book or ID card. Okay, so we have this in the document. Then the next is scan area. You can select A4 or scroll down to select scan entire area, or letter. If you scan entire area, the document tends to be bigger. Okay, so if you select scan entire area, and the next is output, you scroll down to select gray is black and white, but I want this to be in color. The next is resolution. If you scroll down, the maximum resolution is 1200 dpi. It's currently in 300 dpi. Then you can also select preview for you to see how the document is going to look after it is scanned. Okay, so you select preview to see the document. So now we are selecting preview. You see, so this is the document we scan now. Okay, and we selected preview. If you're happy with it, okay, if you're happy with the preview, the next thing to do, you need to select scan so that it will scan. You don't have to select preview, it's not compulsory, but it will just give you idea. If you're happy with it, okay, then you go ahead and hit the scan. Okay, you can see the document. If you are not happy with it, then you need to select the three dots here for you to delete it. You need to select the three dots, okay, for you to edit, replace, or delete. Okay, now the next thing is if you want to scan more documents, so open up the scanner and remove this one and stick the second document you want to scan on top of the scanner. Okay, close it. Then the next thing to do, you need to select on top here, select add. Okay, the same thing is applicable. Once you select all the features, okay, make sure you select scan the entire area. Okay, output is color, resolution 300 dpi. Then you select and make sure it's document, select scan. Okay, so our job now, we have scanned the document. You can do this as many as you like, but we scan 2 pages. Okay, now the next thing to do, if you want to save this document, you select save, and select basic PDF. Compression is none, and language, okay, you select basic PDF, select save. So now when you select the document, you can also change it, that it changes to go to anywhere you want to save. You can save it in download, okay, and type your name on it or how you want to remember it, or the document can also save in the download section. Then click save, showing us now file. Your file has been saved. Okay, now the next thing to do is this document, you can print it out by selecting print. Then you wait for this to be ready. Okay, now scroll down to select the correct printer from the list. Scroll down, make sure you select the correct printer. Okay, now select orientation by scrolling down, or landscape, and also select A4. Okay, now select paper size, select full page. Now next one is select layout. Scroll down to select 1 photo per page. For instance, scroll down, the next is borderless printing, scaling, paper type, okay, output quality, and copies. You can select how many copies, and also output quality currently is normal, so you can scroll down to select any specific information you want, okay, from the setting. Then select more settings. Okay, when you select more setting, you look for the paper size, plain paper, paper source, print quality, print in color, okay, and the orientation is portrait. Now print on both sides. Scroll down to I want us to print on both sides. Yes, flip over, okay, and the next thing to do is select OK. Okay, once you select OK, then you need to again select print. There we go. It's going back inside because we selected to print on both sides. This is the document we scanned and printed this out on double-sided. Also, I want to show you, if you want to share this document, then you can also go to your inbox, direct, and select new. Type the email address of the person you want to send this document to. So once you type the email address of the person, then select insert. Go on top and select insert. Now go to attach file. Browse from this computer is the next. When you browse, then you need to go and look where you save the document, and this is the document you save, and it will show you the time the document was saved. Click on it and select open. Now the document is attached. Type the subject and select, so type the subject as hi. Then type the message hi and click send. So now this document is sent to my inbox. Our job here is pretty much done. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.